How to send XRP from crypto.com to Coinbase step by step. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can do this quickly and easily. Now, the first thing that you want to do is to go ahead and download the application right here. Unfortunately, this application is not available on my region. Now, after downloading the application, it will basically go ahead and show you something like this one. I want you to go ahead and make sure that your account is already verified in order to do the following steps. Basically, from here, just go ahead and click on XRP from your account's category. You can then go ahead and see that right here. From there, click on XRP and you will go ahead and see a withdraw button. Right after clicking on withdraw, all you have to do is to go ahead and grab your address from your Coinbase wallet. Now let's just go ahead and say that this wallet right here is the Coinbase wallet. So just go ahead and log in your account, copy your wallet address, and from there just go ahead and go back to crypto.com, paste the address that you got from Coinbase wallet, and you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.